This is the best deal, hands down, bar none. I don't care what, no cap, right? Whatever you want to use, because this deal right here is blowing me away. It went down to $52.44 from my last video on this. It was what, $63? So now it jumped down to $52.44. It's 63% off, y'all. 63% off. And I just realized something even more amazing about this deal. This SKIL laser level measurer right here, right? It's a 100-foot laser distance measure and level, right? Let me just show you this. That's this guy right here. They only have one other laser, right? Look what this guy can do, right? Digital level, distance measure, real-time area. You can calculate all that. Rechargeable. Look at this beauty. It's going for $66.99 if you get it separate. SKIL's going to show you what this thing can do. What? Why am I not going to get this deal? Am I going to buy this deal? And you can walk it as you walk, just like my look at that. What the? Yeah. This is the tell me this is not the best. Tell me in the comments if you have seen a better deal than this as far as two amazing tools for this price. I don't care what anyone says. I've found some great deals, and this guy right here, y'all, is going right here. But if you don't care to pay even $66.99 just for this laser level measure, distance measure, it's got to be that one, because it's the 100-foot laser, right, and level. That's the only one they have. The only other one that SKIL has, it's a laser, is like this $29.99 one, and it's not this one. So for $52.44, you're getting this whole set. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited about this. I can't believe this. This is what you get. It's a 12 volt. It's a brushless drill, 12 volt. You get the PWRJump charger. If you guys can hear my excitement, it's because I'm really excited, and I might just have to buy this and then show it to you guys, and so you can see this is probably the best gift for in-home. You get all kinds of projects done because you have a distance measure, you have a level, you have a brushless 12 volt 2 amperage hour battery PWRJump charger, battery recharging smart device. I mean, what else do you guys want? It's as if I'm talking to myself why I'm just not buying it right now. And SKIL gives you that battery, it gives you the battery, the PWRJump battery charger that charges within 5 minutes. It charges up that drill driver battery to 25%. Okay? And then the deal with SKIL is you get a 5-year limited warranty. Let's see if we can find that right here. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty. I don't care. This is the best gift right now for anyone that just wants something at home to be able to work with and be able to accomplish projects. Bar none, no cap. I'll say it again. $52.44 SKIL brushless drill driver. It has a 12 volt motor. It is a 2 amperage hour battery that can charge your smart devices. It has the PWRJump charger, not the regular charger, and it comes with the SKIL level and distance measure that goes for $66.99 on its own. I don't know. This is beating all the deals I've seen so far. I am probably going to purchase this. So once again, thanks for tuning in on Mastering Mayhem. I know I'm throwing out videos like crazy, but please watch as much of the video as you can, and this will help as I continue to grow. I will definitely continue to post deals. This one I had to post right away because it's such a great deal. And so once again, here at Mastering Mayhem, I'm always looking for the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to help make life a little easier and work more efficient. And I always appreciate you guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell, of course, and you'll always get the notifications when I post videos. And let me know if I'm posting too many. Let me know, but I'm trying to find my own little routine. So as always, I only hope the best to you and yours, and we'll see you next time.